In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Minecraft on Steam. Even though Minecraft isn't sold directly on the Steam store, there's a simple, official way to purchase it and then launch it through Steam so you can keep everything organized and still enjoy features like the Steam overlay and controller support. Start by opening the Steam app and signing into your account so Steam is ready for the final steps. This process uses Steam as a launcher and library organizer, not as the store where you purchase the game. Next, know this upfront, Minecraft isn't available to buy on the Steam storefront. That's why we're going to get it from the official source and then add it to Steam manually. Open your browser and go to the official Minecraft website at minecraft.net. This ensures you're getting the legitimate game with proper updates and security. On the website, choose the edition that fits how you want to play. The Java edition is popular on Windows, macOS, and Linux, supports extensive modding, and has a classic PC experience. The Bedrock edition is for Windows and is focused on cross-platform multiplayer with consoles and mobile. Pick the one that matches your setup and playstyle, then complete your purchase using your Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, sign in. If not, you can create one during checkout. Take a moment to confirm your system meets the requirements listed on the site. After purchase, download the official Minecraft launcher from the same site and install it. The launcher will handle game updates and give you access to whichever edition you own. Once installed, open the launcher at least once so it registers properly on your system. Now switch back to Steam. In the bottom left corner, click Add a Game, and select Add a non-Steam game. Steam will scan your installed programs. Look for the Minecraft launcher in the list, select it, and click Add Selected Programs. If you don't see it at first, use the Browse option to locate the launcher on your computer, then add it. That's it. Minecraft now appears in your Steam library, and you can launch it from there. You'll still log in through the Minecraft launcher as usual, but running it via Steam lets you take advantage of the Steam overlay, controller support through Steam input, and neater organization alongside your other games. Enjoy your new setup and have fun crafting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.